Happy Valentine to you all. This Buns is everything. Crunchy outside, fluffy inside using air fryer. So here I have my sugar. I added my butter. Now I'm creaming it. I added my egg, 1 egg. I'm using lemon. I added my flour. Now I'm going to add my nutmeg. So you cream your butter with your sugar and then it multiply its size. Then you add your flour, your nutmeg. I'm going to add the baking powder now. This Buns was so good. I'm telling you, crunchy outside, fluffy inside, and it was so yummy. Baking powder. I added carnation milk. You can add any milk or use any milk of your choice. I wanted it to be so rich. Yes. I added the rest of my flour. So this is another way that you can make your buns. Okay, I have a lot of buns that I've made on this channel. So you can check all out. Now I'm using air fryer. Look at that. And I wanted it to brown a little bit more, so here we are. Beautiful rug. Oh my, look at that. Ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Thank you for your support. Enjoy your Val's Day. Love you all from Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Cook with love, enjoy with happiness. Look at the inside there. Look, look, look. So fluffy. Telling you.